Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 17 Montauk Boston Whaler. Just came in from the factory. Now this boat is set up with a complete fishing package. Has a trolling motor plug in the front. It has the removable folding fish seat in the front. This boat does have a great cooler seat on the front of the console that's removable. Rod holders, does have the tackle drawers. Boat has the teak trim package. It's not a lot of teak, but I'll tell you what, it really gives it that classic whaler look on a very modern, fantastic riding boat. Has the rear jump seats in it. Again, they're removable. So you've got all this fishing stuff on the boat. The days you're fishing, it's there. The days you're not fishing, you can make the boat into a great family boat for the sandbar. Powered with a Mercury 115 4-stroke outboard. Now the helm of this boat, really awesome. This boat's set up with a Raymarine GPS fish finder, Raymarine VHF radio, phenomenal sounding Fusion stereo, and it's very comfortable and easy to run this boat. The seat is set up where the backrest on it goes back and forth. So you can move it forward and make it as a bolster. You can flip it the other way so that you can use it to sit facing backwards if you're fishing or maybe talking to people in the jump seat. The other thing is it has a phenomenal live well, and again, that makes a great cooler or garbage can when you're not fishing. Now I tell you, the real thing about this boat, Whaler re-engineered these boats, and it's not the Whaler that was years ago. These things ride and perform amazing. Got to get out on it. All right, for more information, please give me a call. My name is Ted Jones, MarineMax and Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.